Hey guys! In this video, I will show you two simple ways to center images in your websites using HTML or CSS. I will also show some other simple attributes to resize your image and leave some margins in any direction. Let's begin. So first of all, you will need to go into any text editor. In my case, I'm using Visual Studio Code, but you can use the one you like the most. Create a new file with any name. Make sure you set the HTML extension at the end. Now just paste the HTML structure. I won't explain the structure on this video, but most of the text editors will automatically paste this by typing HTML or similar. In my case, I have an already made HTML file with a very simple header and footer. It has some simple CSS, so it doesn't look ugly. Let me show it real quick. To execute your HTML file, just copy the path of the file and paste it in any browser. You can also directly drag the file into the browser. This is how my file looks like. Here is where I will be adding my image, so let's begin. It's important that you have the image downloaded and in the same folder where your HTML file is. To add the image, just go to the body and use the img tag followed by src, where you will need to specify the name and extension of the image you want to add. In my case, it's photo.png. Let's close the tag and check if everything works fine. Every time you change something in your HTML file, you need to save the file and refresh the window in your browser. We can see the image is now added in the website, but it's too big, so I will show you how to resize it. To do this, we will use some simple CSS. Just add style in your img tag and add the width attribute. In my case, I will set it at 20% of the original size. Now let's center this image. I will show you two ways to do it. The first one is by using CSS. Just add another attribute to the style of your image. This attribute is called display. Set it at block. This is needed because images are set as inline display by default. And now we will add a margin right. Leave it as auto. Do the same with the left margin. This will add two margins at each side of the image, so it will stay at the center. Now, let's see the changes. That's how easy you can center your image. This margin attribute works on any side of your image. For example, I will add a margin at the top of this image. Just add another attribute called margin top, and I will give it a 20% margin. You can see how it has a big margin now. I will change it to 20 pixels instead. Much better now. The other way to center your image is without CSS, so I will just delete it. You can see how the image is at the left again. Just add the center tag at the beginning and end of your image tag. In some cases, your text editor will not detect this as a HTML tag, since this is not commonly used, but it works. That's it. I hope this tutorial was useful. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.